Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will test together a powder by Catrice Cosmetics, and this is the Nude Illusion Loose Powder Transparent Matte. The price of it is €5.45 and I will compare it with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Transparent loose powder with soft focus effect for a flawless and long-lasting matte finish without drying out the skin. Ultra fine formula for wearing alone or fixing the foundation. I will also do some check-ins and a wear test at the end of the video, and without further ado, let's get started with the review. On half of my face I will use the Catrice powder and on the other half I will use the Laura Mercier. I'm a little scared about the Catrice because it is very white. I'm applying the Catrice loose powder. I don't need a lot of powder to set my foundation, I like that, and it is already set, so I will not apply anymore. I will take a Morphe brush and a little bit of the Catrice powder. I will blend very lightly my concealer because it sets very quickly. I am also testing the concealer today and it is so dry. Let's apply a little bit of the powder. I will blend very gently the concealer on my eyelid. On this side I will use my Laura Mercier setting powder and I will apply it with my powder puff. To contour my face I will use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit and I will use it with the MAC brush 109. For blush, I will use the Matte Touch blush by Essence in the color Peach Me Up, and I will use a blush brush by Essence. For highlighter, I will use a Glow Baked Metallic highlighter by Essence, and I will apply it with a E40 brush by Sigma. After that, I'm taking a fluffy brush by Morphe, and with big circular motions, I'm just blending everything. My bronzer, blush and highlighter blended very nice on top of the powders, except the areas that I had already applied concealer to highlight my face. I also redid my nose because it was so flaky, I didn't like it. I will link the review down below. It is the Makeup Revolution concealer. Hi guys, it's been 5 hours and let's see what happened with the powders. I don't see a lot of differences between the two sides of my face, and I'm not oily or greasy. I think they look pretty similar. On the areas that I didn't apply the concealer, my powder looks very nice on both sides. I don't have any irritation from the Catrice powder. Also, I feel that it is very lightweight on my skin. I don't feel that I have something on my skin. If you like the eye makeup, I have used the Makeup Revolution London and I will post this video on Friday. Hi guys, it's been 5 more hours and let's see what happened with the two powders. As we can see, the two sides look very similar. I have the same glow on both sides, and on this area here that my skin is a little bit more glowy. It's not very sticky. Actually, it is almost not sticky, and the powders look very nice. Also, my foundation lasted so many hours, for about 10 hours and more, and I can say that the Catrice loose powder can make my foundation long lasting. I didn't have any irritation. Also, I didn't need a lot of powder to set my foundation. I like that. My skin looks the same on both sides, so maybe I found a dupe. The Nude Illusion Loose Powder Transparent Matte by Catrice for me is a hit. It worked very well for me today. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you want me to test another setting powder as well. Let me know in the comments below if you have already tested these powders and if you like them. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!